You've got crypto on Ethereum, but the transaction fee is killing your wallet. What if there was a smarter way to move your tokens? Each blockchain is like a country with its own currency and rules. Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, all powerful but completely disconnected. This is where blockchain bridges come in, digital highways that connect these separate worlds. Here's how it works. Step 1. Tokens on the original network are locked securely with a smart contract. Step 2. An identical number of tokens are minted on the destination network. Now, if you want to move the tokens back to the original network, the bridge tokens are burned on the destination network, and then the original tokens are unlocked on the original network. There are a few important rules, though. First, there's a small fee, known as gas fees. Second, precision matters. One wrong address and the tokens could end up in digital nowhere land. Bridges put you in control, allowing you to move your assets where they work best.